Hey, what's up everyone? This is Kevin Bueno, sales rep at Everpads. We're here at ConExpo 2026. Our theme this year is busting industry myths. So we're taking industry problems and we're breaking them down, showing everyone what the real solution is with Everpads. And the myths we're breaking this time involve key products like the microfine and standard milling drums, milling teeth, poly track pads, track rollers, and track chains. Each of these products is backed by our own patented solutions designed to solve problems that traditional manufacturers have never been able to solve. Now we're showing you guys our microfine milling drums. The main problem in the industry is it takes a really long time to change the picks and they jam. That's just a myth though, and that should not be accepted as the normal. What we did is we redesigned the back pocket on the tool holder that allows the ejectors to fit in and hammer the milling teeth out. And that's why we're busting industry myths now with our tool holders. So the challenge here, or what's accepted as normal, is a design that allows the holders to untighten and wobble during daily operations, even without unexpected impact. So operators have to retighten these every 500 hours. That's a myth. The root of having the routine of retightening every 500 hours is because traditional holders rely too much on the bolts to stabilize the holders. So we redesigned our geometry, and they don't really depend on the retainer screw to stick together to the base. And I'm going to show you guys how this works. If you see this, with the OEM, you can't really do this, or else they're just going to fall out if they don't have the retainer screw. With our design, it's self-tightening, and you don't have to worry about retightening every 500 hours. And now we're going to talk about our milling teeth. So the industry myth is it all depends on the carbide. It's all about the tip. Yeah, we all get it from the same supplier. We all use the same carbide from Germany. But here's the difference. It's not just about the tip. It's not just about the carbide. It's about the design. And our design allows the teeth to spin better. Secondly, we have different models with different wear plates that are thicker, shorter, good quality material that protect the holder. So if you have teeth that protect the holder, you're protecting the most essential part of your milling machine, which is the milling drum. And now we're looking at our track pads. The myth is that the compound is all that matters. That's not true. The compound is only the starting point. In top tier poly pads, everyone already uses high performance compounds. What really separates the best from the rest is the manufacturing process. Even with the best compound, internal bubbles inside of the pad can create uneven force distribution, which leads to peeling. And our manufacturing process solved the bubble issue to ensure our industry-leading compound performs at its best. Another common myth is that edge chipping or chunking is unavoidable. In reality, edge chipping often happens because of the wrong contact angle with the ground. Our solution was to redesign the edge with the chamfer, so when the pad contacts the ground, that allows the pads to roll smoother when it goes up curves, and it allows the stress distributes more evenly. As a result, edge chipping is reduced by 80% and improve the lifetime of our track pads. And now we're going to focus on the rollers for your milling machines. The myth is oil leakage is inevitable. The reality is rollers typically have a design that allows oil to leak. This is the typical roller that you see in the industry. Traditional track roller designs place the oil seal at the edge of the side cap. With every rotation, the seal rubs along the full circumference, which speeds up wear and shortens seal life. There's another weakness in this design. When the axle shakes or shifts out of alignment, a seal position farther from the center axis experiences greater pulling force and edge stress. That greatly increases the risk of unexpected sealing failure. And if we focus the camera here on our design, and our solution was to redesign the oil seal so it wraps directly around the axis, minimizing these issues so that your rollers don't leak. We just busted all these industry myths with our parts, but now we want to make a promise to all of our clients and future clients. You're going to have a company that's going to be there for you from the start of your purchasing process all the way to the end. If you have any questions or even any problems with our parts, you're going to have a sales rep that's going to be there for you along the entire way. Thank you.